Right now, you're moving at 1.3 million miles per hour towards something we cannot see. It has no light, no clear shape, and no confirmed identity. Yet it is pulling our entire galaxy, along with thousands of others, straight toward it. Astronomers call it the Great Attractor. And it's just one of three cosmic events that will completely reshape our future. In this video, we'll uncover the invisible force dragging the Milky Way through space, the inevitable collision with the Andromeda galaxy, and a star that may have already exploded. We just don't know it yet. When astronomers first noticed galaxies moving in a strange direction, it didn't make sense. They weren't drifting randomly, they were being pulled hard. The problem? The source lies behind something called the zone of avoidance. This is a region of space hidden by our own galaxy's dust and gas, like trying to see a monster through a fogged up window. What we do know is terrifying in scale. If Earth were the size of a marble, the gravitational influence of this force would be larger than entire superclusters of galaxies. It isn't pulling stars, it's pulling thousands of galaxies at once. And just when scientists thought they found the answer, they discovered something even bigger behind it. The Shapley Attractor, a massive concentration of galaxies so powerful it may be dragging the Great Attractor itself. Meaning what we thought was the monster might just be its shadow. While the universe is expanding, one galaxy is doing the opposite. The Andromeda galaxy is racing toward us at over 250,000 miles per hour. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide. From Earth, if humans still exist, the night sky will look unreal. Andromeda will stretch across the sky, growing larger every night, until two galactic cores spiral into each other. Sounds catastrophic, but here's the twist. Space is mostly empty. Stars are so far apart that direct collisions are unlikely. But the real danger, gravity. Our solar system could be flung into a completely new orbit, possibly far from its original home. A cosmic reshuffle on a scale no civilization has ever witnessed. The first two events take billions of years. This one could happen any day now. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star 700 light-years away, began behaving strangely in 2019. It dimmed dramatically. Astronomers called it the Great Dimming. One explanation? Betelgeuse may be on the verge of a supernova, or it may have already exploded. If it does, it will shine as bright as the half moon for weeks. It won't destroy Earth, but it will permanently change our night sky, a cosmic reminder that stars live and die. And the light announcing its death could already be on its way. Which of these cosmic events would you want to witness safely? Let me know in the comments. The universe isn't static. It's violent, it's moving, and it's constantly reshaping itself. From invisible forces pulling galaxies apart to stars exploding without warning, we are living inside a cosmic storm, and this is just the beginning. Click here to discover what happens inside a black hole.